Hey everybody, just want to do another quick video. Today we've got a Bachmann train set. This is the Thomas Kinkade Christmas Express. This is a On30 scale locomotive and tender. It also comes with 5 cars. Also included is track, the power supply, and a switch that you'll be able to see in the photos. I do have the windows for the engine right there. Haven't been put in. I just want to do a quick video so you could see the locomotive and tender go back and forth. Thanks for watching.